Welcome to this video by Spenics, presenting all new multi-purpose winding machine, model, Linear 3M. This versatile machine winds round as well as strip conductors on various shaped winding formers. Tensioner in the machine is pneumatically controlled, with electronic force measurement. Operator can set the tension as per conductor size and winding shape. Machine is controlled through PLC, and 7-inch touchscreen, helps in programming winding parameters. Machine will achieve traverse home and spindle home position as per program for each winding setup. Let us see the machine in action. We are using 0.8 mm wire on square former of 150 mm by 150 mm. Please check flatness, tightness and linearity of winding. Now let's see how machine performs with 2.56 mm wire on 120 mm diameter wooden former. Let's check its performance with strip conductor. Former is square 150 mm by 150 mm and strip size is 8 by 3 mm. Strip has no bulge on corners, there is no gap as well as overlap, and most importantly all that without operator intervention. Reel carrier is synchronized with machine. There are separate wire brake sensors for each spool, and pneumatic brake supply as soon as winding stops. We thank you for investing your time in this video. We are just a call or an email away for any further assistance.